bachelor degree in the year of 2018. After that, I didn't do anything much. I wasted so much of time. And in the year of 2022, I joined in the JSpiders. At that time, everyone opposed my idea to enter into the IT industry because I passed out in 2018. Right, there will be no requirements for me. But I trust myself and trust JSpiders. So after 1 year or 8 months after, I got the job in JSpiders only. They provided the requirement and cracked the interview, and right now I'm doing job. So I'm happy for that.